Hi everyone, today in my kitchen we are making chapati, and so I'm going to show you how I make my chapatis. I hope you'll be able to also comment down there how you make yours. And so let's start. So the ingredients are ready. I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and then I also have a teaspoon of salt ambayo mimi naweka, so yangu naweka tu a teaspoon. Then if you want to add, you can add. I also just do, I like it ikiwa na sugar kidogo, so I do 3 tablespoons. And so nina knead, ninaweka mafuta pia, nina knead kabisa vizuri. And then I will add water. And so I knead everything together vizuri kabisa, mafuta ishikane. Ikishakuwa tayari, ninaanza kuweka maji. I'm using warm water. Then I knead everything together. Now this is where the work comes in. You need to make sure you knead it properly, so keep adding your water until you feel, so it shouldn't be too hard and it shouldn't be too soft. So I'm gonna show you how I knead. We'll just do this until it's ready. So you're the one to keep testing and making sure it is okay. Sijali, at some point unaweza you put a lot of water, so it is okay. You just make sure you add some flour on it. And so you have to keep kneading. Make sure you knead until there's nothing on the ball. Make sure in a high stick tena. Mine is almost ready. So after kneading mine, it is ready now. So yours, the dough should be like this. When you put your hand, it should not like stick. So it's ready. I'm going to cover it for a few minutes. If you want to cover it for like a number of 1 hour, 2 hours, even better, because your dough will be nicer. So mine, I'm just going to cover it for 15 minutes, then we'll proceed. So I'm going to cover mine, then we keep it. I'll wait for 15 to 20 minutes. We will be back. Thank you for watching. It's ready, and I've cut them into small pieces like this ones so that I can put oil. So at this point, I'm just going to roll one of this. I'll show you how to roll. And now really you don't really want to focus so much on the shape at this point, because you are trying to put oil. So if you want them to be layered, then you have to do it this way, and then you roll like this, then you keep rolling, and then you do it like this. And then here it is. I put it there. So I go to the next one like that until I'm done. Like I said, at this point, I don't normally concentrate on the shape, because in fact I like it rolling this way for me to be able to just put oil, and then I roll them like this again. See, now if I roll them like this, it becomes easier for me to just roll them this way because of oil. And then I do this like the rest, and then I do that. So see the way it's ready, and I put it there. Go to the next one. Put oil. And then I do the same thing. Then I roll. And then I do that. So you might want to just make sure that it is okay. And then put it here. The way they're looking nice. It's like this. And then now from this side, I just roll like this. And then it becomes easier. And then I do this. If you do this for sure, they're gonna have layers. Yeah? I have a lot of flour. I wouldn't want to have too much of it. So like I said at this point, the edges, these ends, I want them to be a little bit sharper because they're going to help me when I'll be folding. So do this. And we'll be done. Okay. So I just start like this. It's very easy actually. I enjoy doing this. Put that there. We go to the next one. Okay, and then I put here. Then one last one. So these ones I just cut them into small pieces so that I can apply oil. Like I said, at this point, I just want it to be a little bit longer. So I'm rolling it like that, putting in oil. So as you can see, they're ready. So I'm going to cover them to rest for a little bit for like 15 minutes or 10 minutes, even 30 minutes or however time you have. Remember, the more they stick, the more they become even softer. So we will be back. Thank you. So the pan is ready. So I'm going to roll my chapati. See the way it's soft? Yeah, it is because I've left it to steam for some few minutes. So my pan is ready. I'm going to put my chapati. I've already rolled it. Okay. Where am I? Okay. So my baby here is saying subscribe to Mommy's YouTube channel. Is that so? Do you love my chapatis?
Yes.
You do? You enjoy them? Okay.
And subscribe to the video if you want Mommy to cook some more.
Okay, that's awesome.
Or something else wants to cook.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Okay, thank you very much.
Give a thumbs up, or a thumbs up, and thumbs
See the way, see the way. Then I apply some oil on top. Then you keep checking so that you can make sure they are cooking properly.
As you can see, Mommy's chapati is ready.
Okay, see the way they will have layers. I'll show you guys.
They're layers. Okay. But they smell like eggs.
Are you see Mommy's chapati smells like eggs? Oh my goodness.
Instead of
so you have to make sure you put it in some slow heat, turn it over. Then I'll come and just put some oil.
Single way, 3 stories. 5, 6. Look, this one was on. This one was 30. That one was 30. 5 like places. 30. No.
Chapatis are here and they are ready. You see, you can even try one and see if it has pages. Yeah, see the way it has pages, see the way it's just coming off. Yeah, pages are just coming off. Yeah, so yummy.